Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through something that can really trip people up when they're working in Smartsheet, changing the primary column. If you've ever wished you could just swap out which column is primary in your sheet, or if you've run into limits and wondered how to work around them, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand exactly what's possible and, just as importantly, what your best options are to get the layout you need. Let's get started. First things first, you might be wondering, can you actually change the primary column in Smartsheet? I get this question all the time, and I'll cut right to the chase. The answer is, unfortunately, no. Smartsheet simply doesn't allow you to move or rename the primary column to another column. Its role is pretty integral to how Smartsheet organizes your data, so every sheet needs to have one fixed primary column. In other words, if you've already created a sheet, you can't just drag and drop another column into that primary spot or reassign it as primary. I know it can be a little frustrating if you realize halfway through a big project that you wish a different column had been primary. But don't worry, there are a few simple ways to get the effect you want. So what can you do instead? Well, here's the first option. You can rename the primary column to fit your workflow better. To do this, just double-click right on the header of your primary column. You'll see a little box pop up letting you type in whatever you'd like. Maybe you want to call it task name, project, or client, whatever makes the most sense for your process. This way, even if you can't actually move the column or swap which one is primary, you can at least make it clear at a glance what information belongs there. This might seem simple, but naming your primary column carefully can go a long way toward keeping your sheet organized. Now, if you really need a different asterisk column to be primary, here's a bit more of a workaround. You'll want to create a brand new sheet, and when you're setting that up, Smartsheet will let you choose which column you want to be primary. Just make sure you've set up your columns in the right order. For example, if you want client to be the primary column instead of task name, put it first in your column list when you're building the new sheet. Once your new sheet is set up that way, you can simply copy and paste or even import your data from the old sheet into the new one. It might take a few extra minutes, especially if you have a lot of data, but it's worth it if your project depends on having the right primary column. But let's say you're halfway through a complicated project and starting fresh just isn't practical. That's completely understandable. In that case, just adjust how you're using the primary column. You can rename it to something broad and general, like Task ID. Then use formulas, filters, reports, or sorting tools in Smartsheet to make sure your real key data stands out the way you need. Think of the primary column more as a foundation. It doesn't always have to carry the whole meaning of your data. You can highlight, sort, or report on any column you choose to help surface the information that's most important to you and your team. So there you have it. While you can't change which column is primary on an existing sheet, you have a few solid alternatives to stay flexible and keep your workflow smooth. If this helped clarify things for you, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you have any questions or a trick you use in Smartsheet, let us know down in the comments. I really love seeing your creative solutions. Don't forget to subscribe for more super clear tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.